Hi, my name is Chasiti Shafstall, and recording my video is Kagan Cook.
Hi.
So we're getting into warmer summer weather, and with warmer weather there are those nice summer thunderstorms, and with the thunderstorms they could lead to tornadoes and other types of disastrous weathers. But I'm going to be talking about what causes tornadoes and what they do. Well, first, a tornado is a very fast rotating column of air that extends down from a thunderstorm to the ground. Signs of a tornado: if you go out and you see dark gray, greenish skies, or wall clouds or hail, then those are signs there could possibly be tornadoes. Or if you hear something that sounds like a steaming freight train, then you're definitely in a tornado. Tornadoes, they form from violent thunderstorms when there is sufficient instability, which means warmer and more humid than usual conditions in the upper atmosphere, and cooler than usual conditions in the lower atmosphere, and wind shear is also present in the lower atmosphere. In this case, wind shear refers to the wind direction changing and the wind speed increasing with height. Usually, wind shear and instability to create a tornado exists only ahead of a cold front and with low pressure systems, usually eastward moving cold fronts. Intense spinning evident in a tornado is the result of the updrafts and downdrafts in the thunderstorm, which is caused by the unstable air in the upper and lower atmosphere interacting with the wind shear, which is the causing tilting of the wind. That's what helps the tornado move. The wind shear forms an upright tornado vortex. The flowing air around the cyclone, which is already spinning in a counterclockwise direction. Mostly all tornadoes do spin in a counterclockwise direction. It converges in toward the thunderstorm, causing it to spin faster. This is the same process that is what causes an ice skater to spin faster when the skater pulls their arms in towards themselves. There are some other factors that will increase chances for tornado formation, such as dry air in the middle atmosphere, that is rapidly cooled by rain in the thunderstorm, strengthening the downdrafts that are needed to form the tornadoes. The tornado, the lowest wind speeds they can reach are between 20 and 100 miles per hour, and those tornadoes range from all the way to 250 feet across. It's a little windy outside. The tornadoes that reach 100 miles per hour, they only stay on the ground for a few miles. The most intense tornadoes, those tornadoes can have wind speeds up to 300 miles per hour or more, and they become up to a mile wide and wider, and can stay on the ground for many miles. There is an EF scale that ranges, that it starts out as an F0 and all the way up to an F5. Obviously, F5 those are the wind speeds that reach up to 200 to 300 miles per hour or more. Tornadoes are also scaled by the damage they do, not particularly how big they are. So